myself. My name is Adarsh. I am 7 years old. My father's name is Suresh, working a Gulf. My mother is named Vinita, working a VFA. My name is Aradhya. I am 8 years old. I am from Mannakkal. My father's name is Babu. He is bank. My mother's name is Vidya. She is teacher. My name is Arish. I am 8 years old. I live in Korapadam. My father's name is Anil Kumar, working at Puri. My mother's name is Ashodi. She was a teacher. I have one brother. Name is Adikshit. My name is Ayanpe. My father name Nisar. My mother name is Sharina. എനിക്ക് വലുതാകുമ്പോൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ജോലി പോലീസ് ഓഫീസർ. My name is Ayan. I live in Tattengalam. My father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. My favorite subjects are Malayalam and English. My name is Aisha Alina. My father is driver. My mother is housewife. My name is Aisha Meherin E. My father name is Abdul Salam. My mother name is Subinaz. My mother housewife. My father is hotel. My name is Aisha Dilfa. I am 8 years. My mother is named Jasmine. My father is named Harris. My father is painting. My favorite color is red. I am Fatima Aslahab. My mother is named Nusaiba. Father is Bashir. Father is Shop. My favorite subject, English and Malayalam. My name is Fatima Nafiabi. I am 8 years old. I am from Mannakkal. My father's name is Selim. He is a auto driver. My mother's name is Fauzia. She is a housewife. I have 2 brothers, 1 sister. My name is Minha Rahman. My mother's name is Shahana Feed. My father's name is Mujibur Rahman. My brother's name is Shahbaz Rahman Veer. I am 7 years old. My mother is housewife. My father is driver. I have one brother. My favorite color is red and pink. My favorite subject is Malayalam and English. My favorite flower is rose. My favorite fruit is mango. എൻ്റെ പേര് മിഷാൽ മുസ്തഫ. എനിക്ക് 8 വയസ്സായി. എൻ്റെ അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേര് മുസ്തഫ. അച്ഛൻ്റെ ജോലി വയറിംഗ് ആണ്. എൻ്റെ അമ്മയുടെ പേര് ആത്തിക്ക. എൻ്റെ അമ്മയുടെ ജോലി വീട്ടിലാണ്. എൻ്റെ ഫേവറേറ്റ് കളർ റെഡാണ്. എൻ്റെ ഫേവററ്റ് ഫ്രൂട്ട് മാംഗോ. My name is Ashfir. I am 8 years old. I have Manarakat. My father is named Abdul Samad. He is a businessman. My mother is named Hayrunisa. She is a housewife. I am favorite color red. I am favorite fruit mango. My name is Nafia. Father is Zubair. Mother is Shemira. House Manarkat. My name is Zayan. My father name Shaul Amir. My mother name Annat. എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ളത് വാക്കിംഗ് ആൻഡ് ഡാൻസിങ്. My name is Nasa Naure. I am from Manarkad. I am 8 years old. My father's name Najib. He is a driver. My mother's name Khadija. She is a housewife. എൻ്റെ പേര് റയാനാണ്. എൻ്റെ ഉപ്പാൻ്റെ പേര് മുസ്തഫ. ഉമ്മാൻ്റെ പേര് റെജീന. എനിക്കിഷ്ടമുള്ള ഫ്രൂട്ട് ആപ്പിൾ. എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഭക്ഷണം റോസ്റ്റ്. Hello friends, my name is Shanta Fatima, 7 years old. My mother name is Nedma K. My father name is Muhammad Shafi. My father is pharmacist. My mother is pharmacist. My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite color is red. My name is Nisha. My father's name is Sunil Kumar. I am 8 years old. I am from Manarkad. My mother's name Sandhya. എൻ്റെ പേര് സുഭിജിത്ത്. എൻ്റെ അച്ഛൻ്റെ പേര് സുനി. എൻ്റെ അമ്മയുടെ പേര് ലതിക. എൻ്റെ അച്ഛൻ്റെ പണി പെയിൻറ്റിംഗ് ആണ്. എൻ്റെ അമ്മ വീട്ടിലാണ്. എനിക്കിഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട കളർ റെഡാണ്. എനിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ഫ്രൂട്ട് മാംഗോയാണ്. My name is Umarul Farooq. My father name is Junaid. My mother name is Sahira. My father is delivery boy. My mother is teacher. My favorite fruit is banana. My name is Zaima. My father name is Afsal. My mother name is Jensina. My 8 years old. My favorite color is red. My favorite food is rice.